What's up, guys? It's your boy Martin. In this video, I will be going over how you can earn 100% instant commissions daily. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. Alright, so here, how you're going to earn 100% instant commissions daily is with this system called $25 1UP. This is a three-step process. What is $25 1UP? First, you have to understand the product. The product is an automatic system that teaches you how to create an online business. It also pays you up to $1,000 per referral. Now, with this product, you have to drive traffic to this product. Now, where do you get your traffic? You get it from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Craigslist, Snapchat. You do paid ads, which is paid Facebook, paid Instagram, paid Craigslist. You can also run ads on your YouTube, but you can also use all of those for free. You can do the solo ads, which is buying traffic from a vendor that has a large email list that will send clicks to your link. I highly recommend using that as well. And you have email marketing systems, which I'm gonna get into in this video. Traffic will generate leads, and the leads are individuals who want more information to your offer. Now, you have to follow up with the leads, help them get started, make YouTube videos, back office review, and autoresponder. Now, let me explain to you why. So if they're on your social media, they're seeing this, they're seeing you promote daily, right? Their email, they're seeing this product. On YouTube, they're seeing you promote this product. So that's 3 different times that they're seeing this opportunity. That is a high chance that you could create sales, all right? So it's traffic, lead, sales. That's exactly how it goes. Let's go over some of the commissions that you get with $25 1UP. These are instant commissions. You do not have to wait. So as soon as you promote this company and somebody buys one of your product, guys, it's instant to your PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Zelle, whatever processor that you like to choose, is instant. So the gold level, you earn $25 commissions. Platinum level, you earn $100 commissions. The diamond, you earn $250. Enterprise, $500. And the elite level, $1,000 per commission. Now, a lot of people always ask, so if you aren't earning 100% commissions, then how did the company make money? The company make money off of the admin fee, okay? Now, the admin fee is a one-time $10 fee if you come in at the gold and the platinum. So it's a one-time $10 fee to be able to have access to the system itself. So let me come out of this, and this is the system. This is the back office. What you are getting. This is what you're paying for, your hosting fee, your admin fee, same thing, just a different word. What you're paying for is to have access to this system in general. So if you come over here to your gold level, you can go to pre-written ads and more. What this does is give you all of these copy and paste ads. If you don't know what to put on your social media, if you're brand new, you can use all of these ads. And what I do is just take them, put them on my social media. Like if you click pre-written ads, you could just see everything that they tell you to recommend that you use. These are trigger words, and here are headlines. You have over 100 headlines that you could use in your business, on your social media, and your email swipes. They also have some email swipes that you could use for people that are interested, that have already created an account. If you don't know what to say about that, you could copy that and use it. It's just already done for you. This system does the selling and the telling for you. All you have to do is drive traffic to your done for you websites. This is my lead generation secret. This is an email marketing tool that I was telling you guys about. And once you become a part of this business, you will earn 100 leads a day, which is a total of 3,000 leads for the month that you could promote $25 1UP to, or any online business that you have. And you see this headline right here. This is a copy and paste. Headline that I used out of my back office with $25 1UP. This whole message is a copy and paste. It's inside of your back office. And what I do is send them directly to this capture page here, where it's plenty of testimonials. They put their information in and they go to the next page, which has the presentation. Here in this side, this tool that I use, you can see how many people actually open the email and click the link. So this is a tool that I highly recommend. It's called My Lead Generation Secret. You also can earn commissions with it. I've done a review on my channel. You can go check it out. But the link will be below if you're interested in using this tool for your online businesses. but I highly recommend that you use this with $25 one up. Put those copy and paste inside these emails. As you see, I sent this out to 3,400 people, and you could get back the numbers and see how you need to work on your email marketing. Now let me come to my Instagram really quick. Here is somebody that coming in on one of my pictures, and boom, you can see this. I just have you ever worked from your smartphone before? And she was like, no, she wanted more information about it. I gave her a little bit of information. Now here, what you want to do is get them to your capture page. You don't really want to tell them too much. Just tell them enough that they need to know. So see here, she said yes, she's interested and want more information. So I sent that to her, and look at this. How do I get started? So with her, she was able to create her account. We got her started, and that was that, guys. It's not that hard. Different platforms that you can use to earn these 100% instant commissions. You just pick a level that you want to come in at, guys, and crush it at that level. So I highly recommend that you at least come in at the gold and the platinum. If you come in at the platinum level, you do get bonuses from me. You get more websites, more training, more scripts to help you close those sales. And, you know, it allows you to learn how to sell high ticket products. So from the platinum level down to the elite level, you will learn how to sell high ticket products. But if you want to just go all in to 250 level, but if you want to just come in and start making some big commission, the diamond level is a solid level to come in at. 2 sales a day is $500. Then you can always upgrade and you just pay the gap. You don't have to pay 25 to 100. Then you just pay the gap from each level that you're not currently at. And another thing you should know, if you come in at a level and somebody wants to join at a higher level that you are not eligible for, then you will not receive that commission. So you want to position yourself to make as money as possible that you can. So the diamond level is a solid level that you should come in at if you have it. Now, if you just want to get started and make some good money at a low cost, then the platinum level and the $25 level are some great levels that come in with low risk. Okay, 10 sales a day with the platinum level is $1,000. So if you want more information to this opportunity, the $25 one up, the link will be below. That my lead gen secret tool will also be below in the description box. Make sure you check it out. If you like this content, give this video a thumb up. Also subscribe and click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I drop these jewels. Other than that, I'm out.